Well, it is I don't know, it's a quiet evening. Boy, I tell you folks, I have been doing weeks and weeks and weeks of what amounts to construction. Moving stuff, changing all this crap around, changing closets, putting up shelves, moving appliances. I'm planning to put in extra doors in, all this ridiculous stuff. But I'm doing it in part because all my stuff has been packed away. All my stuff has been packed away, everything. But I got some of them out, so spent the last few evenings, cleaning this. I've had this for a long time. Silver fittings. It's got ray skin grip. You can see the Ito here is, I believe that's what it's called, is actually kind of a green. Its ray skin is beautiful. The Tsuba is not signed, I don't believe. The Tsuba is actually what got me interested in this thing. See, it's thread. Two different kinds of thread, and it looks like copper, and that's probably some kind of lacquered silver. You can see the other side. There that is. Try to get a little better angle on it there. Tilt your head sideways. That's the needle. It's a lovely Tsuba. It really is the thing that kind of grabbed me on this. And this is handmade. It's just this beautiful abstract rhythm. It's gorgeous. So you have the cap. So it's all a matched set. The furniture, it's all matched. So you have this cap. This, whose name I've currently forgotten me. This lower sword fitting. And this, Minuki? No, that was the Minuki. I haven't looked at my stuff in, it's been a really long time. All this stuff has been packed up. It'll come to me. In any case, this, see the pattern on there? What do you want to call that? Like a filigree? It's a rolled pattern. Okay, well, the same pattern is here. You kind of have a hard time seeing it, but there it is. So you have, I keep thinking nigiri, but that's sushi. So you've got this diddly here, matches this diddly, matches this diddly. It's really worn, but it does. So you have these unifying elements together. And then when you look at the saya, let me get this apart here. Come on, open up. Aha. You look at the saya, there's silver, plain silver rings inset into the lacquered wood. And it's pretty neat too, look. 7, 5, 3, nothing, twice as thick 1. So they're kind of, it's the same amount. They just, instead of there being a 2, they just jumped the 2 to the 1 and gave this kind of like this visual jump there. It's just a lovely, lovely piece. Family piece too. As far as I can tell, somebody wore this thing a lot. And it was cared for a lot. Somebody wore it like this. And you can see this. Something was bonking on it. Dinka, 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 dinka. Like so. For a long time. The handle is... You can see the wear on it. And sort of the, you know, all the... how it's all smoothed out from being handled. I'm not quite sure how to fix that. I just think it's just really elegant. This beautiful, non-symmetrical, slightly mathematical, abstract design. It's gorgeous. And this is definitely a family sword. These scabbards, all this stuff was made for this blade. They're all made, as far as my understanding is, they're not mass produced. They never were. So here, see, look, the habaki. It's going to be brass with silver on top. This one, it has, I'll just start with the one flaw. Right here, you notice it kind of goes beep like that. I think there was a bad chip here. So it kind of cut into the temper line just a bit. You can almost see it there. See what I'm talking about? See that? It's got that wavy pattern, right? I'm trying to get a good light on this for you. You all can see it. In any case, you can see it's kind of cut in there just a little bit. Bigger. I think it got a chip maybe, and then they had to kind of try to clean that up without breaking the line too much. Yeah, some wear on the tip too. It's, as far as I'm able to understand based on my total lack of Japanese swordsmithery, yeah, I think it's what it's called, good original polish. Oh, hey, you can see that hamon now. See, look, it just kind of fades out right there. You see those white dots going bump, 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 like that, so. That wave. And we cruise along. It starts to take out the belly there. You know, but it's honorable, right? This was in someone's house for a long time. Long time. What a beautiful object. What a gorgeous thing. All the history on it, all the hands. It's just magnificent. It's a beautiful thing. It's one of the reasons I prefer, you know, not new things, not new watches, because they just there's, you know, that look of a life is just so awesome. And holding this is, see, it's a piece of time travel. And this thing, it's not fantasy piece. This isn't a, you know, a mall something or other. This thing's real. And it was there. And somebody wore this every day, or however many days one would, you know, wear one of these, assuming that formal dinners and, you know, stuff like that. Don't think you'd wear one bowling. Ooh, though it might settle some disputes. Yeah, isn't that pretty? I don't believe that's, I don't believe that's signed. Another one of the things I always thought was great was the simplicity of these designs. The whole thing is held together with a single bamboo peg. The whole thing. And you would have multiple sets of furniture for your blades. Now, all I'm really going to want to do here is just look and see. Habaki? I don't remember if this is signed. Look at the patina on that. Mumai, no signature. Look at me, I'm talking like I know what I'm talking about. Isn't it adorable? Yeah, look at this one, bonked around a lot, huh? Isn't it pretty? What a lovely design. And here is anybody who's knowledgeable and knows what anything like this might tell you. That'd be cool. I mean, as much as I'm a judge of anything, yeah, if anybody does actually, you know, have any insight about this this blade via the tang or anything, please let me know. Okay, let us get this backwards. I'm probably doing this wrong in a bunch of different ways, and I'm probably going to get yelled at by someone. I usually am, but I'm just kind of doing this here wild and free. Come on, get in there. Thank you. This is the construction. So it's a wooden core. It's cut in half, right? Take a piece of the wood, split it in half, carve out to match this. Clean it all up, put it together, glue it together. Paper. Look at that ray skin. It really is fraying. I'm debating what to do. I just don't want to get more frayed. You know, these look pretty simple, but they're kind of hard to do. Like, I tried, and I mean, if I did a lot of practicing, I'd probably get okay at it, but I'm not okay at it. Isn't that pretty? Anyway, and then, so we're going to put our, wait, is this thing signed? We got two pieces, an inner and an outer. My ring, I'm sorry, people. So that's foil over copper. And they must have rolled it. It's like you put it through a rolling mill. Stamp that down. Pretty detailed piece of work. Interesting. Wonder why they did that. You know, obviously, I guess they wanted to have this, and that matches this spacer. See, they all go together. And there it is, all back together. Nice and tight. Doesn't rattle at all. Kraken, I cannot help you right now. You have picked, as usual, the worst possible time to do what you just did. I'm so unlearned in swords, I don't even know off the top of my head what the name of this style temper is. I gotta clean and re-oil that blade. Well, that'll be the next thing to do. Okay, well, this was supposed to be a video about Seikos, but here we are. Thank you for watching.